Okay, taking the puppies for a walk. Puppies, come here! The puppies! Come on! Good boy. Where's the other two? Come on! My puppies! Oh, look at them come. Good dogs. Good dogs. Good boy, Taylor. What a good boy you are. Look at you. Just look at you. You're such a good dog. Taylor. Oh boy, now we're going to play going down the hill, huh? Hey, that's a rose bush. That didn't feel good. Come on, puppies. Can you come up the hill? Come on, Taylor. Come on, Patcher. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're smart. You're going to take the trail up. Come on. Come on, Taylor. Come on. Up we come. Good boys. Good boys.